change your mind. Won't play those games like guys who came and robbed you blind. Sometimes you gotta act on what you feel, baby. Take your time, I know you need that shit to heal, baby.
Ooh, man, I'm finna go in here, y'all. Let's see what they got going on up in here. We at my grandma's house. We got some people fixing on my grandma's house, y'all. Yeah, my folks fixing on my grandma's house, man. R.I.P. Mr. Leroy. But hey, this is the street I grew up on right here, man. Street I grew up on right here. Right here, my nigga. Huh? I ain't been up here in so long. I ain't been up in here so long. Baby, pacify. I don't want to walk in the wrong spot and I be downstairs. I bet Steve Gang still in here, ain't it? How much? I'm talking about. What's a whole lot of? There go a piece of sheetrock right there.
That ain't sheetrock in here.
Oh. But man. But I get back with y'all right away.
Yeah, that prank shit. You'll get it. That prank shit work.
Oh, my, I just need to get out of Birmingham. That's what I need to do.
Hey,
If
you said some shit right there, like this.
Oh, my, cause I ain't got no type of support. I ain't got no type of support down here. Oh,
and I'm
my.
gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why today.
Why?
Cause these niggas, what's gonna help me when you start to rise on your shine, motherfuckers ain't gonna like that shit.
Oh, my.
That's how it always gonna help.
Oh, my, I've been talking to people, bro. People been telling me. I just like when people tell me that I'm doing good and they keep going.
Get what? Long as you do that, nothing ain't gonna never stop you, bro. You never let nobody tell you. Get what? This what I'm gonna tell you, little dude. This some shit I had to learn for myself. Out of all I done been through, bro. From dropping out of school, going back to school, getting my diploma, going to jail, selling dope, everything. Out of all that shit, get what? Can't nobody tell you what dream you chasing. You know why? Because they not you.
Right.
Y'all not here for the same purpose and y'all probably not looking into the same shit. So can't nobody tell you what dream you can chase what you ain't gonna be able to do what you ain't got it. You don't got what it takes because y'all not shooting for the same thing.
Oh, my.
All right. You need another SIM card? You think I'm gonna go?
Yeah, I just like having little talks with people, man, about how hard I'm working and jump, man. I'm going hard, bro. I'm trying my best, bro. I'm trying to get me a car right now, though. I got to get me a car, man. I got to get me a car. Because if I want to do stuff, I got to have a car. I need a car. You heard me?
Huh?
I said I need a car.
Okay.
Oh, you finna dip?
You gonna be around the corner?
All right.
Ma.
I don't know why my camera. But yeah, man, we just chilling, man. Good vibes, people, man. I got some videos I'm gonna drop, man. I was live last night, bro. I was like talking to this girl, but she was alright. I was talking to this girl. She was telling me like she was just talking to me, man. I just like having talks with people because it motivates me more. And it motivate me to work even harder, bro. And like where we from, bro, it's hard up here. It's hard in Birmingham to get where you trying to get and stuff. It's hard in Birmingham, but we trying, man. We get it, man, bro. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going hard. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos. I'm gonna keep shining. I'm gonna keep all that. But man, make sure y'all, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get wherever else we finna do. Right way. Gang on back, man. Boy, chilling. Getting stuff right, making moves.
You know. You know that it is. You know why you talking that bullshit?
Mom, say something to my YouTube.
What's up, little two? Oh, man. Well, he on YouTube?
Yeah, I do
You doing this
YouTube.
video? YouTube video?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Working
Well, right
out.
now, YouTube. Hey, everybody. Straight from. You might see anything we'll be in right now.
It look good outside. Steve, what you say? What's up? Say.
If you do a YouTube video every day with Steve,
Oh, mom, with all on. See what say what's up to my YouTube.
What's up? Bitch, my birthday when? I'm getting there.
Yeah.
yeah.
Huh? Huh? I think it's in the car. Hold up. Dang, I hope I ain't take that plug in the house. Cause I sure was leaving it in the car. It's right here. Hey man, this plug right here ain't cheap. I mess my plug up.
You got my juice on room, what I ain't.
Yeah. You ain't had to share your shoes while I'm on my YouTube. No, I was just playing.
Yeah, YouTube, goddamn.
I was just showing them how we finna fix up. Grandma.
Put Steve on that motherfucker. Get what Steve gonna do.
Oh man, he did
All
funny.
you gotta do is give him a six pack. Give Steve a six pack, put him on that bitch. Get what Steve gonna do. Oh, he gonna go crazy.
Hey, oh man, I was recording him the other day. Dude, funny. I be recording them for real. That's why I'm finna start doing YouTube videos on them. Cause when they get drunk, they be going, Lil, yes, over.
Why you up? Well, you gonna really get the
Oh man, and I'm finna blow on my I ain't, hold on.
YouTube, I'm back, man. Hey, I'm back because we was at my grandma's house, fixing my grandma's house up and stuff. And I'm back, man. I just thought of something. He in there asleep right now. My mama boyfriend is in there asleep. He in the front room seat. So I'm finna set my camera up. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I set my camera. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm finna get lit. I'm finna put some mustard. In his mouth. Some mustard. He gonna wake up. He gonna be like, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Bully videos of the way right way gang.
Doesn't make it. Listen, I know that this sounds crazy, but you have to trust me that he will. Did you know about the push button phone working with the landline? The supply box. Tactical radio channels. I really think we should stick with her.
Looks like we're going to Knob Hill.
Let's go. Looks like the whole city's evacuated.
And we've got a problem at the airport.
Where are we gonna land?
Can't. At least not in the city.
The Chewy box is coming today.
Calm down, honey. We just ordered it yesterday.
Oven baked apple biscuits. Holy Leroy. Biscuits!
And fast, free 1 to 3 day shipping when they just can't wait. Chewy. One of the coolest things about Experian Boost is that it's free.
I get my credit report, I get my credit score, and boost my credit all for free.
Get your credit report, score, and boost it all for free. Download the Experian app now.
Spam. Don't knock it till you've fried it. Sizzle, pork, and
Our most powerful spot and stain cleaner, the Bissell Little Green Pet Pro, combines superior suction and versatility to keep carpets and upholstery fresh all year long. Bissell, live in the moment, not the mess.
If you don't repaint every now and then, it's like the old you is still hanging around.
And listening to music.
So today, let's paint with Behr, America's most trusted paint brand, and make your home yours. Behr, exclusively at the Home Depot.
Obviously, we got termites. Well, first thing is, you gotta know what they're biting on.
Hey, I told you to hire a pro.
I did get a pro.
An Orkin pro.
I got this.
Got termites? Don't call any pro. Call the Orkin Pro. Orkin, the best in pests.
busted? Original Gorilla Glue, of course. Works indoor, works outdoor. It's weatherproof, it's waterproof. It's versatile and incredibly strong for the toughest jobs on planet Earth.
With every cup, we cultivate some of the finest coffee in the world with human care and purpose, elevating every coffee moment. Because with every cup, precious coffee preserves the beauty of our world. Nespresso, what else?
Sidney Crosby, just a world-class shot. This Anaheim team, they have fun.
Penguins, Sabres, Blackhawks, Ducks. Wednesday at 7:30 on TNT.
Attention parents of premature babies. If your child was born premature and later diagnosed with necrotizing enterocolitis or NEC, you may be entitled to significant compensation. Medical studies have shown a link between baby formula and NEC in premature babies. If your premature baby was fed formula while in the hospital and was diagnosed with NEC, call now. If your child was fed formula while in the hospital and was later diagnosed with necrotizing enterocolitis or NEC, don't wait. Call our helpline right now.
Hurry up! Who knows when those kids will start arriving?
They get here at 7:30.
Every day?
While the best new show of the season is Spring Break, catch up on Hulu.
I was just out there talking the truth.
On Rotten Tomatoes.
It wasn't a setup for a punchline? Let me see these permission slips. They better be real, because I can tell if you fake the Herbie Hancock. It's John Hancock. I know, I just say what I want.
Wes, look, I put mustard in your mouth when you sleep. Caught that nigga slipping. Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
I just caught that nigga Wes slipping. Look, he was in there sleep. I had mustard all in that nigga mouth. Hey, that nigga crazy, man. He woke up like, what the world going on? He probably try to get me back when he see me sleep. But I ain't going because I ain't going like that. Feel him on my camera. You know, I ain't going like that. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. That's the end of this video, man. This the end of all this, bro. We had a good day, fun day, bro. I got like, I supposed to been drop this video, but some stuff ain't go as planned. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Right way, okay.
Time to change your mind. Won't play those games like guys who came and robbed you blind. Sometimes you gotta act on what you feel, baby. Take your time, I know you need that shit to heal, baby.